So your 350Z boot pop don't pop. Oh, this mod could get your boot popping once more. So if you've already changed the trunk lifting springs, like these ones from OpenTop, and you find your boot or trunk it still doesn't open, it could be that the motor is either weak. This is the boot popping motor, and it could be that it's either weak or just doesn't work, it's burnt out. So I'm going to show you a really cheap and effective replacement. I replaced the factory boot popper motor with this, an aftermarket central locking motor. You can get these really cheap from eBay and Amazon. I think this cost me a tenner, £10. It's a 2-wire motor. You can get 5-wire ones, but you don't need that, just the 2-wire one's perfect. It comes with the kit, it comes with exactly everything that you need, which really isn't much. The original motor would sit underneath here on this bracket, well, under the bracket. I've drilled a couple of holes to fit the motor. I've drilled a couple of holes to fit the motor, to fit the central locking motor, and it comes with this rod, which I've then bent into the right shape. So, give you a good look at how that goes. And fabrication wise, that is it. That's all you need. £10 and you've got yourself a working boot popper. Back to the car. Now the whole assembly fits back into its place nice and easily. I've connected up the I don't know what you call this, the emergency cable, which if you don't know goes to this. If you pull that, if your motor ever stops working and you can't get into the boot, you pull that. That allows you to open the boot manually. So I'll bolt that in a little while. First I just want to show you the wiring. So I've added a couple of spade crimp terminals, and they plug into the original, they go into the original connector. You might have to experiment to see which way round you need the wires. So for me, the blue wire goes on this connector here, this pin here, I'm pointing to with my thumb. If you get it the wrong way around, all that will happen is your plunger will go out instead of in. So it's not much of a big deal if you get it wrong. After that, you bolt the panel back in, tuck the wiring away, put the trim back on, and you are done. Oh yeah.